Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash and Wrinkles makeup video, and we are going to be testing out this Bourjois Healthy Mix Foundation. I saw Allie Glines try this and she really liked it, and I only found it on Amazon, and then I think I saw when I googled it, I ordered it through her link, which was Amazon, but I also saw Walmart.com, but I don't think I know they don't have it at my Walmart. I don't think they have it at Walmart. I think you can only order it online. Let's get started. That's what we're testing out today. I have already slathered my face with this Bobbi Brown face base, I think is what it's called. Vitamin Enriched face base to keep from having dry patches. And it soaked in really well, so let's just keep going. I'm going to use a primer today. I'm going to use this Patrick Ta. I think that was what it's called. I don't remember. One size makeup magnet primer base. Oh, I don't know what that says. Apply before makeup. Okay, that's all it says. But I'm pretty sure it was Patrick Ta. It doesn't say on here because this was just a little sample thing that I got. That's really weird that it wouldn't say on here at all. So anyways, it's called One Size Secure the Blur. But I believe that I've used it before, and I believe when I looked it up, it was Patrick Ta. Let me read you what it says first, because it's just real quick. It says, Bourjois Healthy Mix Anti-Fatigue Foundation gives you a rested natural glow that will make your skin look healthy. With a blend of vitamin C, E, and B5, it instantly covers imperfections and signs of tiredness, as well as boosts skin radiance for fresh-looking complexion. Your skin will be 70% more radiant than bare skin for up to 16 hours and will stay hydrated for up to 24 hours. It's all up to you. Choose the shade that works best for you. And I had to order a shade online, you know, just guessing from the online. So fingers crossed. Because when I first got it, I thought it looked dark, but then when I held it up, I thought, oh, it doesn't look that bad. We're gonna make it work, right? It's what we do. We're not gonna do the TikTok method, even though I really like that, but I think my skin is just too dry in the winter time to handle all that powder. So we're just gonna go in with our primer, which I think I got way too much of. Oh, it's cold. You know what else Allie Glines really likes is the NARS eye primer. And after I make this video, I'm headed to town. So I'm going to see if I can find that. It seems like I looked before, and the only Sephora I have is inside Kohl's. And then my Ulta has limited amounts of NARS products, and I don't think they have it. I guess I'll start with one pump. And I'm just gonna do what I always do, which is dab it on, and then go back in with a brush and a sponge. This one's really, really stiff. I used to use this all the time, but I also use full coverage all the time. Well, it's got coverage, I can tell. Even from here, even with my eyes, I can see that it's covering, which is great. Pull it down my neck a little bit. All right, I'm gonna go in with a sponge now because I feel like, so this is a damp sponge. I would say at this point it's got medium coverage now that I'm up close. So let's go back in with a little more and see if we can get some more coverage out of it without getting it to be drying. With all those vitamins, it shouldn't get dry, I think. So let's go in with some more. So far it looks good though. So if I mess it up with more, we'll know that one coat is good. And I actually put a whole pump on my hand and I didn't mean to. I do need a little more on my nose. I think I wiped it all off. Now I'm just gonna go in with my sponge and pull that to the places that need it. Press it in. All the wrinkles. I think it looks good. It's still not a full coverage because I still can see redness around here, but it looks good because to me right now with my skin the way it is, if it doesn't get dry, it must be amazing because everything has been getting dry. I have way too much, so I think one pump and just maybe a drop more is all it needed. But let's move on. I got out this Hourglass Veil Vanish concealer because I can't remember if it was drying, but that's what we're going to use because I can't remember, and I know the other ones I've been using are drying. There. I don't know, it looks kind of dry already, so I may be wrong. Yeah, it's turning real dry. So that's a fail for them. Right. Now we'll go in with our Bye Bye Pores, set all that. All right, now we're just gonna take our brush and then go over all this and then a quick whisk up here, just with whatever's on the brush. All right, now we definitely need to add in some more color. And we're gonna go with my tried and trues for the color because if it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? We're gonna use my L'Oreal Lumi bronzer in Deep. And we're going to contour. Go all the way up into the hairline. I just really like this color. It's so pretty. Let's go in with our blush. We're using the Dallas from Benefit. And just a little bit of color. And then I'm going to take my dual fiber brush and blend all that together. Pull it down my neck. And then we're going to go in with our highlight. I'm using the Dandelion from Benefit. Dandelion highlighter. I bought one time, and it was a multi-thing, like palette, and it had dandelion in it. Was one of the reasons I bought it, and it was dandelion blush. Completely different product. But it was from Benefit, but I took it back. That's not what I was buying it for. I thought it would be as awesome as this, and I didn't think it was. But this is my absolute favorite. It has absolutely no chunks to it. It gives you perfect glow. It doesn't accentuate my wrinkles right there. It's just the best. Okay, done with the face. Let's move on to the eyes. We're gonna use the Tartlette. What is this? Juicy. This is the Tartlette Juicy palette, but it doesn't say that on the front. But anyways, this is what it looks like, and I'm sure you can still get this one. And this is the inside. And let me see what we're gonna use. Kind of want to go with pinks or bronzes. Let's go bronzy. Well, actually we do a lot of bronze in the summertime, huh? So let's go with the pinks, because there's a lot of pink in here. So we are going to use, I'm going to pick some colors that look like I haven't used them at all. I'm going to pick Happiness right here as my transition color. All right, so we're going to go with Happiness for now, and then we may switch palettes, because we're definitely on a no makeup kick. Lost a lash or something. And we're just going to put this in the crease and pull it up. This one's very, very... Is my brush losing hairs? It must be, because I can't be losing that much hair. All right. Can you even tell that's there? I think I might need to go a little darker. We're going to go up to Rose. We're going to put Rose in there. Actually, oh, Rose is down here. This pink one right there. We're just going to put it right on top of what I was already doing. Okay, now I'm going to take a clean brush, and I'm just going to go around, blend those edges, because I really want this to look pretty natural. Okay, now I am going to go into, I'm going to use the same brush that I was using for the pink, and I'm going to go into a darker pink. I think I'm going to go into the one next to it, right here. I can't read what it says. Orchid. All right, now I'm going to go into the center with something bright, something better. I'm going to go into my NTASHA DENONA palette and grab just a little bit of this inner corner right there, and I'm going to put that on my finger, and I'm going to put it dead center. Just a little bit in the middle. I just want to brighten it up a little bit, because I feel like that pink just doesn't have enough zhuzh for me. much better. Alrighty. I like that, so we're good. So now we've got what? Brows and lips. And I'm going to use the Juicy. All right, let's do the brows first. Real quick a minute. I don't even know why I show you guys the brows. I do them the same all the time. I'm using my POWMADE from Benefit. And I'm doing them exactly like I did them the last time. All right. Okay, brows are done. Let's do the lips. And this is the Juicy Lip in Orchid. It smells yummy. Is it the perfect match? I can't tell. Wow, the eyes are pretty pink, aren't they? That's okay. We love it. I forgot to wear earrings again. Okay, so maybe I'm a no earring kind of girl these days just because I cannot remember. So that's it. What do you think? The foundation looks awesome. It's not drying at all. It's got pretty good coverage. I like it a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thanks for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!